Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So I got another unboxing of a figure in today's video. I really like collecting figures, and I have a few Naruto ones, but I got this really cool Kakashi one. I don't know if you know that figure already, but that's what the figure looks like. It's a bit of a pricey figure. It is the Heroes DX figures, and I know they're quite expensive along with the gem figures as well. And the gem figures are really cool though, but they're a bit pricey. I want to get the Shikamaru one as well. He's my second favorite character, but Kakashi's my favorite. I think he's like my favorite character in all anime. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. I haven't opened it yet, but yeah, let's see what it looks like. Anyway, I will open it up. I've cut the sticky tape. So yeah, so these ones are made in Japan as well, so I think they're Japanese imports. But comes in packaging like that. I'll do a proper pan of what you get in here with my other camera when I open it up a little bit better. But so many things to play with. Oh, my cat's coming now. Alright, so we've got the Chidori bits and the stand. It's really cool that it actually has a stand as well. Alright, so you get so many bits in this set, but let's have a look at the Kakashi figure. Alright, so it's a really cool figure. There's a lot of different parts that you can, so you can change the head parts. There's three different head styles and 4 face plates that you can change it to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets of hands, or 7 sets of hands that you can change it to. A kunai, and of course his Icha book, and his Chidori. Right, so poseability wise, it's supposed to be fully articulated, so the head has a really cool range of motion. It feels so different to like other action figures that I've got. It's like it's been oiled or something. So arms, the shoulder joints go up to there. Obviously you can twist it for it to go up as well. Icha paradaisu. Yeah, really cool range of motion. The elbow has like a bean socket thing, so it moves both ways. The wrists have a really good range of motion as well. So you can get it into all sorts of different poses. Look at that. Awesome. Torso joints have a good range of motion as well. So you can have a slouch or bend. Really cool either way. Bends really well either way. Hip joints, those legs, that's what it's like if you want him to pose that way. Obviously you're not gonna pose him in some strange way like that, but if you wanted to get a leg up like that, you could. Or if you wanted him to sit, that enables him to sit really well, along with the flexible peanut joints, so he can cross his legs like that So cool. It's like better poseability than a ball jointed doll. So that's pretty cool that you can get him to cross his legs. Even his toes are jointed as well, but I'll get to that in a second. Knees have the peanut joint again, so good range of motion there. Obviously knees aren't going to flex more than that in real life anyway. Ankle joint, just a regular sort of, a little bit limited but not too bad. And of course the feet joint, which go up like that. Pretty cool. Now I will show you all of the bits that you can change. Well, first you get his Itcha Itcha book. I wish I actually knew what was in there. I want to read one. That, got the kunai as well. It's really good quality. It's got like a metallic finish on it, so pretty good. So the first set of hands we've got is 2 fingers up. I don't know that I would do that. So it's I suppose you could do it for like a sign or something, if he's doing any sort of sign. We've got grabby hands, so you can put something in them. Yes, we've got different types of grabby hands, which you can put something in them as well. We've got open palm hands. Got open palm hands, which I'll probably use one of them, maybe, I'm not too sure. And we've got like open grab hands, which I might use one of them actually. That looks like a Chidori hand. So lots of different little hands. We've got Kakashi's head without the headband on, which I don't mind that one. That one's pretty cool. It's different as well, so I might put that one on. I'm not too sure yet. And then we've got the ones where you can change the face plates on. So you get the hair, basically, and then you can change the face plates. So we've got the happy face plate. So it's got like a little peg at the top there and like 2 little holes that the peg goes into. So I'm not going to click it in because I'll show you the rest of them. So that's the happy face one, which I kind of like that one, but I don't know yet. I've got the one with his Sharingan. I kind of like that one too. Who knows? That one. I got the other one with his closed shop. This one's a little bit harder to get in, I think. A closed Sharingan. And we have, I'm not quite sure what this one's for. I think this one here goes on the head that's on him, because his eye's covered up and the head that's on him has his eye covered up. So I think that goes on this head. But it's just a happy smiley one. Yeah, which I probably won't use that one. I'm not too sure how I want to posing. There's so many options. I guess the good thing is you can change it up when you're kind of a bit over the way he looks. So I might put this head on, and then we can see what it looks like. Now, so you just pull it off. Seems pretty simple. And then it's got like a peg on it, and it's got like a little, probably won't see very well, socket on there. So that's what it will look like. Right, finally got it. I'm gonna put that head on, actually. So same deal, just plops on. Just clicks on. Yeah, that's better. That's what I'm after. So, same sort of range of motion. You just have to be careful if the back of it actually sort of gets stuck on that. So you can pull it back and make sure it's just a little bit away. Hands, I'm going to change the hands. So I reckon his right hand I'm going to change, and it just comes off again. Which replaces this one. Yes. So we've got rah-rah hands. And I'll show you the Chidori parts, I guess. 3 different Chidori parts and a clear stand. So obviously you put the Chidori together, which I can put together no problem. And a clear stand, which is pretty cool. But I probably have him sitting down anyway. I kind of like that pose. But that's the stand if you wanted to stand him up, which is pretty cute. The Chidori, made of a clear plastic by the looks of it. So I think you can have 2 options of the Chidori by the looks of it. I'm not too sure how that's supposed to go on. So there's like a hand part, I think. Alright. No instructions! Well, anyway. I'll work it out later, but basically goes on one of his hands. I think it's the other hand, the other one of these ones, where you can sort of, they got like notches in it that you can put it in, and that way you can hold the, probably can't see, but there's like a little hand notch in there. I mean, it looks like it's supposed to go together, but it doesn't make much sense. I think you put his hand in it and then you put it together by the looks of it. Yes. So you put it together like that. But it doesn't fit in the hole, so there you go. Anyway, I'll Google how to put this together because things aren't really matching up, but I'm sure the hands goes in there and you can like clamp the hand in there, but I don't know, I'll have to Google that one. I didn't think it would be so, because it matches that way, so you think so, but the holes aren't big enough to put the, I don't know, I'll Google it. But anyway, it goes on his hand and then you can hold it. But anyway, so that's pretty much it for this figure. I think I'm going to display it, I'm not sure, because you can do so many poses with him. You know, you can have it all sorts of ways. You can put his kunai in there, and you can have him like standing ready to go. There's so many different poses you can put him in. I kind of like the cross-legged one. I think that's kind of cool, because there's not a lot of figures that you can actually cross their legs. So yeah, I do want to get like a cabinet where I can put him in so my cats can't get to him, because he's an expensive little figure. So yeah. So anyway, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you collect these things, let me know. We could like have a chat about it as well. But yeah, I like collecting these things. And there's a new one coming out in Ban Presto, so I'm going to try and win it on Toreba. Yeah. Yeah, anyway, I will catch you in the next one. Bye.